Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Capricorn, paunang mensahe po ninyo ay energy. Okay? Maaaring sa ngayon, binibigyan kayo ng extra spiritual power, no? Yung parang life force energy na dito sa inyo for you to carry out kung ano man yung mga plano ninyo, ano man yung mga mission ninyo sa buhay, mga ideas ninyo. No? So now, parang magkakaroon kayo siguro ng opportunities then around you for you to be able to carry out kung ano man ang mga bagay na to. Kaya magiging excited, no, determined kayo sa ngayon, yung drive ninyo nandiyan dyan, and you are going to pursue, no, kung ano man yung mga binabalak ninyong gawin. What else? We have strength, and you may need physical strength at inner strength for you to be able to carry out your mission, no? Yung gano'n, kung anong gusto ninyong mangyari sa ngayon. Magkakaroon kayo ng lakas ng loob na gawin yan, i-push through yan, o naman ang mga pinaplano ninyo, you're going to push through it, at maaaring kailangan din ninyo yung lakas, no? Yung physical strength ninyo para ma-perform ninyo yung mga dapat ninyong gawin. Okay? We have sanctuary, and so maybe you are seeking for peace, you are seeking for tranquility, for serenity, which is really good kasi kailangan din ninyo siguro ngayon na magnilay-nilay, magpahinga, no? Magmuni-muni yung ganon. Kaya hinahanap din ninyo ngayon ng inyong inner sanctuary. We have healing. Ayan. So, you need healing. Ang iba sa inyo siguro, baka physical ailments, no? Yung ano ninyo rito, yung kailangan na ninyong i-address dito, no? That's why you are receiving healing energy for that. Or baka naman meron mga hindi lang physical ailments, kundi baka mga emotional troubles siguro na nararanasan ng iba sa inyo rito, and you may also receive healing for that, no? So, napakaganda kasi finally magkakaroon na kayo ng peace, no? Magkakaroon na kayo ng feeling of tranquility, no? Siguro mawawala na din yung stress ninyo because of that healing energy. We have angel number 2424, good times. Okay? So, kailangan talaga ninyo dito, no, na mag-rest. Kailangan ninyo na mag-take ng holiday. Diba? Pleasure, love, affection, kindness, happiness, those are just a few things na mararanasan ninyo or mararamdaman ninyo. You are worthy of affection, leisure, and pleasure. If you tell your family and friends how you feel, you'll find that you're all on the same page and can work together effectively. Many people are rooting for you. If you spread love, it will find its way back to you multiplied. Ganun naman talaga, diba? Pag nagpo-project kayo ng love, that is also what you are getting back, diba? Kaya nga, may karma, diba? Kung ano yung kind of energy na nilalabas ninyo, yun din ang babalik sa inyo. Kaya kung love ang pinapakita ninyo, love din ang babalik sa inyo, hindi ba? What else? We have angel number 0220. Act on your idea. Okay? Kung may idea kayo, kahit magaganda ang idea ninyo, if you're not taking action, diba, wala din. No? Kaya ngayon, ang invitation sa inyo, act on your idea. Okay? You have the benefit of good fortune, and if you use your wise judgment, you can do anything. In this place, you can reach new heights. You should act on your potential. When you see this pattern, since where you plant will grow, you're about to experience a spectacular ascent. Okay? So, maaring ang iba rin sa inyo dito, is going to, talaga, take advantage of this energy na may swerte, no? May swerteng dadating, may swerteng babalot sa inyo sa ngayon, kaya maaaring ipupush nyo din dito kung ano yung mga gusto ninyong gawin, ano yung mga ideya ninyo, so maaaring you are really going to take action towards that sa ngayon, no? What else? Angel number 0707. Ayan, so there is compromise. Siguro may hindi kayo pagkakaintindihan with another person in the past at maaring sa ngayon, ano, baka magkausap na kayo, you may enter a compromise, you may come up with a peaceful resolution, yung ganon. Let go of what no longer serves you. Panahon din ngayon para mag-release ka, mag-let go ka ng hindi na nagsiserve ng inyong best interest, hindi na nakakapagdulot ng positibong epekto sa inyo, hindi na nakakapagbigay sa inyo ng um, magandang magandang pakiramdam, no? So stop holding on to grudges, express your emotions and aim towards a compromise. Where there's a lack of understanding, it's best to just move on. The truth will set you free. Yan, napakagandang mensahe din yan. We have angel number 1001, new beginnings. Ayan, so merong mga bagong sitwasyon na you're going to embrace at this time. Maybe you're going to focus on your personal development, you know. Maybe you are going to prioritize your creativity din sa ngayon. Maybe you're going to focus on your craft and mastering your craft siguro. And sabi rito, you're heading in the right direction. So, napakaganda, 'di ba? Kasi divinely guided kayo at maaring kayo ay nakikinig sa inyong gabay, sa inyong guidance. Kaya naman, na mapupunta kayo sa tamang direction. Kasi doon kayo gagabayan, kaya papunta rin kayo doon. A new phase in a religious or a spiritual quest. You're going through a spiritual awakening which can feel like the dark night of the soul. You're on the path to enlightenment and this too shall pass. So good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.